3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So we have this question that we have to print 1, and then we have to print 2 and 3 in this way, and then we have to print 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. In every line. So in one line, we'll print 1. Second, we'll print 2 and 3. Third. Okay. Yes, how will we do it?
So this is the level order.
It's a level order.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's got
it's a
a level order.
Okay. So it's a level order.
Because you are moving level by level.
Sure. How will we do it?
This is not
Yeah, the same thing just like a
in-order reversal.
Huh?
In-order reversal.
In order, let's do an in order reversal. So in order में क्या है? 1, नहीं 2, 2 का 4, 8 आ गया. We'll print 8 and then 4 and then 9.
We have to from the top.
Yeah. So that's not what we are doing.
It's like we can
Using
we can take the Q and put in the there. And
Okay.
take it
Let's try doing that.
Yeah.
So we take the Q, print 1, right? Put 1 in the Q, and we'll pop out 1 and check.
Then
We'll print 1.
then check its left and right. If
We'll check this left and right, add 2 and 3. Correct.
Then
Right.
then
So 1 goes out,
And
2
then-
is there,
then again 4 and 5.
but how will I know? At one level, this is printing at one level. So first level goes here. Second level,
Like this.
now I have to go to a different line. I don't
Right.
have to print it.
So you will take 2, you will print 2, then you will.
No, but how will I know that it's a different line?
No, this is what
No
I'm
need
saying.
to know.
You don't need to know.
No,
When
because,
you-
because you have to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No.
Yeah.
ये एक साथ ही
That's not what we have to do.
next line print हो रहे हैं.
Ashish, you don't need to check if you have come to the second level.
So you want to line by line
Once
print.
once you have taken the 1 out of the queue, then you will come to 2. You will check if the queue is null or not.
Okay,
Then-
yes.
तो पर वो एक लाइन में प्रिंट हो जाएगा.
So एक line में print हो गया.
Okay, you want to.
That's
not
not
big
big
deal.
deal.
That's not a big
Not
deal.
Not big deal. You have to write a one space in
Yeah.
between.
That's
That is not a big deal, man.
हाँ तो ठीक है ना.
So, Dhruv sir, help me.
नहीं, question नहीं, वो हाँ.
उसमें एक काम और कर सकते हैं. Breakfast search. Once we can.
Breakfast search.
Rakesh,
हाँ, ठीक है.
उसमें एक काम और कर सकते हैं. जब आप 1 इसको इंसर्ट करोगे ना, 1 इंसर्ट करने के बाद put 1 null to check for the levels.
Right.
null एक चेक करना, null डालना, और जब 2-3 डालोगे, 2-3 के बाद फिर एक null डालना.
Right. समझ गया.
Got it? जब लेफ्ट राइट डालते हो उसके बाद एक null डालना.
नहीं जो लेफ्ट राइट डालता है तो उसके बाद null नहीं.
So explain it like explain the
left right डाल दिया तो
उसके लिए null है.
Okay.
उसके
Okay. Q बना के फिर उसके
I will know.
राकेश while loop से पहले एक 1 डालना, उसमें null डालना.
हाँ.
पहले
बस समझ.
write a Q. So I added a Q. Right. So in Q I added 1. So draw a Q.
Right.
Q below that.
This is Q.
Right. Yes.
Here is insert. Here is delete.
Perfect. Q
Let
me finish first.
We will add 1. Right.
हाँ.
And here is the 1. Right.
जब बोलता रहेगा.
Then we will add here a null. Null.
कहाँ पे?
Null here.
Here why?
I mean after 1.
अच्छा it's Q. Okay.
Right. Then after adding this, we will pick if Q is not null. Right. We will extract this.
Okay.
If extract, then we will take its left and root. Right. We will check. We will add left and right. 2 or 3.
Okay.
Now Q is not null.
Okay.
Because we have a 3 item, we will extract this one. This is null. Leave it. we will pick 2.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, so you have printed one now.
Yeah, and sir,
यार
sir,
क्यों
this
में
one also.
आशीष जैसी
one print कर दिया.
नल की जगह स्लैश एंड डालते जाओ ना.
once we cross
Slash and new line.
once we come across a null, then
Null will
we
look like
this is the level.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it is.
So that is what I am saying. First time we picked this one, right? We added and then added a null.
Then
We
we
extracted
take
one. We extracted one from the queue. We
Printed
looked
out.
at the left and right. We added 2 and 3 left and
पर print
right.
भी तो करना
पहले
है.
प्रिंट करेंगे.
पहले print करेंगे.
Yeah, obviously, man. Extracting
Or
the one
if you-
that is printing.
This is there
ठीक है.
So extracting is the printing, right?
there is another question on this, like if you want to check the levels of the tree, then again also you can use the same.
How many labels are there? Then you can count the count.
Yes.
We will come to the different questions. Yes. So
Right.
yeah. Okay. So you added a null. Then you took out one.
Yeah.
Printed it out. Then you encountered a null.
Then I will
As
also
soon
remove this.
as soon as you remove this,
Yeah.
add a null.
Again,
on the
then
end.
we will take the left and right until this is null. Then once that is done, we will add the null. Right? Now I have these 3 things. I will extract 2,
Okay.
print the true,
Okay.
2. Then we will pick the left and right. 4 and 5.
Sure.
My null Q is still not null.
Okay.
Blank, sorry.
Sure.
Then I will take 3, right? Print. 6.
Sorry,
3 will be printed. 6 and 7 is
Would be added
6,
here.
7. Now we got the null encountered. We add the
Add a
null at
at
the last.
Yes.
Right?
Exactly.
This way we will be moving.
Okay. Yes. Did we
Is that
get
clear?
Yes. Okay. Okay. So yes, you are going to write the
Code.
code.
Yes. We'll do that.
Sure. You can erase this.
So Rakesh,
Yeah.
null के जगह पे slash and use करोगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा।
Whatever, any special symbol you can use. You can use the dollar because you will be comparing those values.
Because we will be getting dollars.
Yes.
Okay.
This is an example.
Okay.
Word, print, label. Okay. And here we will pass the node, root, right? So let me node, root.
So Ashish, this is the iterative way है ना.
This is iterative.
और
This is iterative.
breadth-first search जो है,
हाँ.
that is also level by level.
That is also-
this is breadth first search.
This is iterative, yeah.
Depth first search is one more approach
Here.
where we can go with the recursion approach.
Node,
If they ask, do you need to start writing from the node construct?
this is in C sharp, not in C++.
Then this code or it should be go directly embedding in either then.
Okay. So you define a new queue.
Q, right? So what I will do, I will check here if, right?
If root is null, then
Right.
you just return. We
Root.
don't need. Yeah.
Equal to null.
Return.
ये तो ऊपर
If
ही
not
है
root
ना,
is done.
हाँ वो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं एक ही बात. Return null. Return whatever.
यार कोड रिव्यू भी नहीं कर रहा फर्स्ट टाइम लाइक सेकंड टाइम कोड रिव्यू करूंगा ना तो सही करूंगा.
Okay.
Right? So it will be returned.
Okay.
Now after checking this null, next time that means nothing there. So what I will do, I will do here
Insert.
q dot nq,
Okay.
right?
No root. Root. Yeah. And then
And
q
then
dot
also-
enq null.
Yeah.
Null.
Null. I am denoting by this.
I don't know how will you actually, this is a Q is a type of a node. So how will you insert a character
Yeah,
in
yeah,
the
yeah.
node? So insert a null.
So null. This is a perfect.
Sure.
Right. So after adding this, what I will do, I will check while. Right.
Q dot size is not null.
Q
Dot
count I believe.
count or size or whatever
Count.
is not equal to
Yeah.
not equal to 0. You can start writing from here. like this. Okay. Your handwriting is actually good. In writing,
Yeah.
on the board, your handwriting is good.
Thank
so
you,
that's
sir.
a good thing.
Right? So, we have, let's say if data is integer, okay?
Okay.
Int data equal to,
No, you will DQ now.
yeah, that is what I am going to do.
Okay.
Where I will hold.
No, you can hold. You won't do that. You will, because this will actually return a null. So you cannot say null dot, right? Let's say so. The Q right now is
int नहीं रख सकते.
Note
Q
the-
right now is
Note the
one
variable
and null, right? So let's say if your one you
Yeah.
took out,
Node dot
then
data.
the node becomes equal to null. You cannot say null dot data because
I think we need to take two loops, right?
no.
No,
What
temp
you
is
do is you node.
Hmm.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Node temp is equal to
Temp variable note.
Yeah.
Node,
yeah.
Capital N.
node,
Temp is equal to
New node.
नहीं, it's
No,
not DQ.
DQ निकालना पड़ेगा.
yes. Got it.
Okay. So you took that out
You-
and you
so
will
I
check
know that.
temp
Now
is
now condition.
Temp is.
If I will check temp is not equal to null.
if temp is equal to null, then add NQ.
Right.
Yeah.
Got it.
Print and
If-
then print it.
If temp not equal to null for first.
Okay. Anyway, yeah.
So what I will do, I will print it zeta.
Sure.
Right.
You will print.
Yeah.
Console dot write line temp dot.
Console.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Dot write. Yes.
Yeah.
You can write this.
Temp dot
Data.
data.
Okay.
Perfect.
Else.
Now come to here.
Else.
Yeah. Else, if it is null, else is null, right? That means I am reaching to this point. Then I will simply write console dot write line blank.
Yes, just right line कर दो. Actually वो दूसरा वाला console dot write होना चाहिए, right line नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं.
वो right ही है.
वो right होगा ना, level by level.
Correct.
That was ingenious to that. Right line. Then what I will be doing? Yes. Then after doing this, loop will terminate.
No.
ये क्या हो गया यार?
Yeah. Right.
बचपन
So we need
Oh,
to do
देखिए,
here. Adding will be done here.
Yeah,
only.
yeah. Left hand
do
go
it in that.
Yeah.
Just take.
Sorry. Here.
Yeah. If
Not null, then we are putting the data. Then we will check if
temp dot
Here.
left
temp dot left
not equal now.
not equal null.
Add.
Then yes. Q
And
to NQ temp dot next.
left.
Sorry, left.
Same thing.
And after here, it will go here if temp dot
Right.
right not equal to null, then it will go again q dot nq temp dot right.
राकेश एक वो उसमें वो डाल सकते हो आप, क्या कहते हैं
Null
नल इंसर्ट नहीं किया ना
Null में insert क्या क्यों है?
Right, मैं देख लूँ.
अभी रिव्यू
Okay. Else में वो and here
हाँ दोनों
अब
में-
जब else में होगा ना,
अब जब जाओगे ना
else में null वो कर दो NQ. हाँ इधर.
yes. Dot nq
null.
null.
नहीं सही है. यही होगा देख
वही है.
वो not null में हम वो कर रहे हैं, else में null आएगा ना तो
अगर उसको walk through करेंगे क्या होगा?
हमेशा वो
1 हुआ, 2 3 print हुआ,
हाँ 2 3 के बाद वो null आ गया, वो temp
उसके
left.
बाद new line गया.
मैं
null आ
actually,
गया.
if I would have it there, I would actually have taken the null condition first. तो null, अगर मेरे को null encounter हुआ है, then I will insert everything, and then I will say continue because I don't want to.
It's up to you.
Yeah. That will be a little shorter
No,
code,
but
but
that will be shorter code.
It's
Yeah.
depend on you.
Sure.
खाना खाने के बाद
कैसे
पानी
देखते हो?
पीना या
नहीं नहीं ऐसी
पानी
बात नहीं यार ये गलत है
क्या
समझ
गलत?
नहीं।
खाना खाने के बाद पानी बीच के समान होगा।
अब बाबा रामदेव भी
ले भाई और कोई बाकी रह गया क्या?
See, this is
This is what I know this is what-
and the first
Yes.
step you have written. We can
Exactly.
obey your brother.
हाँ, ये-
So now,
ये थोड़ा कह रहे हैं कि
now, like the solutions that I had, this is basically a breadth first search. You are doing a breadth first search, right? There is another thing. So just remember two things. One is Q is breadth first search. Depth first search is a stack. And if somebody asks you, like we did the pre-order in order.
And Ashish, I believe after writing this code,
Yeah.
interviewer will observe the answer
Sure.
and he will also give me the time to
Dry
dry run it.
edition, I don't know if that
Right?
there's a
And I can make everything
null.
It's a good.
सही लिखा है।
Console dot write line, new line, right?
Yeah.
Then he enters null. At that point, Q is already empty.
No, we will continue to do that. If null is there, then
You know. Okay.
in the end, yes, in the end there will be one null, extra null that will come. But we can figure it out,
Yes,
and
because I added because these people said to
Yes.
add in the hills. So I added.
it's all it's all their fault.
I was thinking they said no. I
दूसरी
added.
बात में लगा दे U-turn।
Okay, these are.
Okay,
भैया इसको कुछ भी करें केजरीवाल को मत करें
so we did that.
अरे ये U-turn वो कह रहे थे।
If somebody asks you write a iterative solution for depth first search instead of this queue, you will take